Hey sugar babies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a maintenance vlog, so let's get into it. First, I am going to show you guys the things I'm going to use for my hair. I'm using these clip-ins that I made in BioSilk and the Tresemme protectant. So basically I am just sectioning my hair and putting the clip-ins one by one, and this is going to be a middle part. So that is what I'm doing. And here I'm just showing you guys the back, and everything that I do in this vlog is pretty much self-explanatory. So yeah, now I'm right here, I'm showing you guys how I am putting on the clips for the clip ends, because I did have to make more of them. So this is how it looks, and then now I'm just going to add this particular clip in to the sectioned out part in my head. And then next I'm going to straighten out more of my hair, and I'm closer to the top of my head. And then after that, after putting all of the clip-ins in, I just brush it out. And then I'm going to use some edge control. This edge control is like the GOAT, so if you haven't used this yet, go ahead and try it out and let me know how you like it. But I usually use the Eco or the Ebon edge control, but I actually like this better, so that is what I'm using, and it actually gives a pretty good hold. And y'all, this flat iron was giving me the business. Like, I have a love-hate relationship with this flat iron, and I need to invest in me a curler or something. But this is the finished look. Now tell me how y'all like it. So we're moving on to the nails, and that girl, I didn't know what I wanted to do, but the finished product was eating for me. So yeah, I'm using a glue that I found in the beauty supply, and first I'm just going to prep my nails and spray them with alcohol to wipe off the dust off. And then I take the first nail that I find that actually fits my thumb and just go one by one gluing them on. And then after I glue all of them on, I'm going to clip them down just to make them a little bit shorter, not like too long to where I can't use my hands, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, I just clip them down to a pretty good, length, and then I just file them just a little bit, and then I buff them, and then I start using the base coat, the base gel, to make them a little bit sturdier. And then I also like to add like 2 or 3 layers of the base gel, just to make it, like I said, more sturdy so they don't break. And I'm also using this Pinky Promise color. It's by iGel Beauty or something like that. But yeah, I like this color so much. It's like a really cute pink. I was gonna do like an ombre, but I decided against that. But this is the outcome, and I love them. So next, skincare. We love skincare. So first, I'm using this grapeseed oil, and I first go on my face with all of this just to lubricate my face so that I don't like nick my face or my skin. And this razor I got, like, it's like a two, I think it comes in like a 2 set, and I got it from like the dollar store. So don't sleep on the dollar store, y'all. They have pretty much everything in there. So yeah, I'm just using this on my face just to get all that peach fuzz, and it actually got the job done. Be sure to pull your face, that way you don't nick yourself or cut yourself while you're doing this, and make sure that you have it very lubricated.
when we sit down and eat. I can do this shit one take, but my style ain't free. Don't take hoes on no date, but they got pretty feet. I swear, $250,000 on my head, $250,000 on her head. She mop it down, now bitch, I can't feel my leg. I done sniped off your hoe for a crumb of bread. Hoe got rats going out the roof, they busting through the ceiling. My new bitch, she the truth, showed me a couple million.
Next, I'm going to use a makeup wipe to wipe all of the oil off and all of the hair, and it left me with a smooth baby like finish, and we love that. Now on to the best part, the lashes. So I'm using these lashes that I got from the TikTok shop, and I put the lash map that I used above. That way you guys can see or actually see the ones that I'm using. And y'all, I'm not even gonna lie to you, these lashes didn't even last a day because I like to sleep on my face, and baby, they was off. But this glue is actually good. It dries pretty fast. So I was trying to show you guys how I dip the lash in the glue, but it was actually drying too fast. So yeah. But I actually like how it came out. And yeah, y'all, this is the finished of my maintenance, my hair, nails, and skin. I hope y'all liked it, and I'll see y'all in the next one.